Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to just get right into this video, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can get started. So my hair was in a wash and go, so it already has some gel in it. Now I'll be taking my EcoStyle Argan Oil Gel and I'll be using these two scrunchies to put my hair in a ponytail. And for my ponytail I'll be using this type of scrunchie and I'll be using 3 of them. I wet my hair with water. Now I'm using this wide tooth comb to just section the back portion of my hair, and then I'm using these section clips to hold the top portion away. Then I'm going in with some of that EcoStyle gel and just applying it to the back section and brushing it through before I put it in a ponytail. I won't be talking too much for this section because I'm basically just doing the same thing. Each time I section the hair, I'm adding some gel to it and then I'm brushing it and then putting it in that ponytail until it lays flat. Oh, by the way guys, if you notice, my hair is like soaking wet and I really do not recommend that you make your hair so wet like I did with mine. So I had to go in afterwards and try to dry it, as you guys will see. So it's not necessary to make your hair so wet. The hair I'll be using is the Jamaican Bounce and I'll be using 1 pack of hair only. Now this is 1 strand of the hair and I'm just going to open it out and separate it so I get 2 strands. So all the pieces of hair that comes like this, I just open them out before I start to crochet the hair onto the scrunchies. Now I put my scrunchies around this bottle because that is what I had at the moment, and I'm just inserting my crochet needles in between both of the scrunchies, and then I'm doing the crochet technique to attach the hair to the scrunchies. So I just insert the needle through, put the hair in the needle, and then pull it through. And right here I only showed me tying it once, but in reality I really tied it twice. So I'm going to be doing that once more so you guys can see. So to make it easier for it to go into the crochet needle, I twist it a little bit. Now I'm inserting the crochet needles between both of the scrunchies. Then I apply the hair to the crochet needle, close the needle and pull it through. then twist it as you guys can see like I'm doing here, and then pull it through to close it. And that's basically it. I'm just repeating this step over and over. So I just pull through the hair, twist it, and then pull through it again. I basically just continued the same crochet method all around the 3 scrunchies, and then I closed it off when I reached the top of the scrunchies. So since I already did a video showing you guys how to make this DIY ponytail, I will not be getting in too much detail with it. So I'll be just linking that video up in the iCard here, so you guys can go check that out to see how I close it off. And if there's anything that you did not understand from how I made this ponytail, it is way more in detail for you guys to just go ahead and check it out, because I really didn't want to make this video too long trying to explain the same procedure all over again. Now this is the finished ponytail after I've installed all the hair, and this is what the inside of it looks like. So I'm just going ahead and giving it a trim. I went ahead and I attached this ponytail over my bun, and I used a bobby pin on each side of the ponytail to hold it in place. This ponytail is a definition of quick, easy, slaying on a budget, and getting your money's worth out of your hair, as you'll be able to wear this so many times, trust me. So that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to go ahead and click that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. And thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.